Hey subscribers, CHO1 here, live from the Whispering Woods. Adventure awaits! Okay, a little spookier than planned. But great for the aesthetic, right? Whoa! What is that? A weirdly giant rock? Or something else?
That is not a rock! Subscribers, are you seeing this?
Chirp?
Hi.
I guess I'm your
Mom?
dad? Vlogger in charge?
Okay, new plan. We need to find cover. Now!
Don't worry, little guy. We're safe in here. I gotcha.
Some moments aren't for the vlog. They're just for us.
Yeah, it's pretty, isn't it? The world is full of surprises. Okay, new adventure. Let's get my little friend home, wherever that is.